Okay.
Sounds of Decay 3, Demiser, Slave to the Scythe. South Carolina may be known more for NASCAR and Civil War battles than occult thrash metal, but fans of the genre will doubtless be impressed by this 5-piece from the Palmetto State. Slave to the Scythe is their second full length. The band formed in 2018, banging out a couple of early demos, and it consists of 9 blistering tracks straight out of speed metal hell, most in the 3 to 4 minute range. The lineup consists of curious Dark Lord approved stage names like Defiler, Infester, and Demiser the Demiser, just to name a few.
Who does he sing for? Demiser.
3 times the Demiser.
3 Demisers don't make a right. Even so, they could have named themselves after the Care Bears, and the quality of this dark, heavy material would be unaffected. Produced by South Carolina studio Svengali Chase McGuckin, Slave to the Scythe is nothing short of a flattening, hard-charging thrash metal record, pulsing with evil intentions. But don't take our word for it. The album was recently picked up by the mighty Metal Blade Records label, so ignore this one at your peril. One of the things I noticed from years of metal reviews is if you've got a great drummer in the lineup, give them some cool intros. Think about classics like Run to the Hills, Wake Up Dead, Stay Clean. A little flair on the Tommies is a winning idea, and drummer Jason Leach lays down the gauntlet from the very first intro, paradiddling us into oblivion as opener Feast explodes in twin guitar moans and hyperactive speed, sounding very much like something from Kill 'Em All, frosted with the brutal vocals of grunter extraordinaire Brad Deerhake, ranting about kidnapping priests, dismembering popes, and impregnating nuns. I mean, what else could you want?
The clean guitar instrumental interlude is even more proof that these guys have studied evil slabs of the golden era.
Could do a better title on that one. Just saying. Anyway.
The melodies, as chilling as they are impressive, and perfectly setting up Crunchfest follow track, Total Demise, a song packed with delectable hard pan riffing and references to Osmodeus, Felicius, Dissentius, Averm. Hey, the gang's all here.
Yep.
Not for the faint of heart, but for those of you who enjoyed tasty platters recently, like the latest Sadistic Forced, Leather Bitch, or Midnight, you'll need to add these guys to your list.
This song is called Feast.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.